कमियाँ इंडस्ट्री की मैंने देखी, और मुझे गर्व है कि मैं शारदा यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ जुड़ा हुआ हूँ, PhD भी यहीं से कर रहा हूँ। तो अब ये था कि हम कुछ ऐसे इंडस्ट्री से ऐसी चीज़ों को निकाल के लाएँ जिसमें यहाँ पे जो यूनिवर्सिटी का योगदान ये हो सके कि वो प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम करें और वो प्रोजेक्ट्स हमें दें जिससे हम उनको कॉमर्शलाइज कर सकें। तो आज ये पहला हमारा ये सबका यहाँ पे मिलना हो रहा है, और इसी उद्देश्य से हमें जो लघु उद्योग भारती से जुड़े हुए और दूसरे लोग हैं, जैसे सर हैं, उनका 92 ईयर्स की एज होने के बाद भी वो बहुत हमें इंस्पायर करते हैं, वेरी जो है एनर्जेटिक हैं और इनका एक्सपीरियंस भी बहुत है। तो इनका आज हमें इसमें बहुत बड़ा योगदान इनका है कि हमें आगे बढ़ने की प्रेरणा देते हैं और आगे ये भी समझाते हैं कि कैसे हम किन किन चीज़ों को जो आवश्यकता है सोसाइटी की, गवर्नमेंट की, ये सब चीज़ों को अगर इकट्ठे मिला लें तो सबसे बड़ी अगर आज के टाइम में कोई सुधार सकता है इन सारी चीज़ों को तो वो इंस्टीट्यूट से। तो शुरुआत किसी भी चीज़ की होती है वो इंस्टीट्यूट से होती है। तो हम आज इसकी जो शुरुआत कर रहे हैं इलेक्ट्रिकल व्हीकल के ऊपर आज का जो ये है हमारा प्रोग्राम है, और इसके अनुरूप हम आगे आने वाले समय में भी ऐसी ऐसी समस्याएं इंडस्ट्री से निकाल के लाएंगे और फिर आपको उन्हें प्रेजेंट करेंगे। आप इसमें आगे उनको हमें समाधान करते हैं और फिर हम उन्हें कॉमर्शलाइज करने के लिए। थैंक यू।
I am Dr. Bhim Singh. I am professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering and working with Professor Madhukar Deshmukh in Industry Integration and Knowledge Exchange.
He has specialization, his PhD.
My specialization is in industrial engineering, sir.
Industrial engineering.
Especially lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Paul Praveen. I am in Mechanical Department, working as an associate professor. So my research experience in composite material and controlling vibration aerospace applications.
Controlling vibrations.
Yes. Controlling of vibration.
Dr. Kennedy from Mechanical Engineering. My research area is in materials.
Sir, Dr. Usha Tiwari. I'm from WEC department.
Which department?
Electrical Electronics
Electrical.
and Communication Engineering department. My research area is IoT and WSN, wireless sensing networks.
Myself, Dr. C. Mohan. I am working for Sharda since 2004. My interest area is industrial automation and embedded systems.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Dr. Soma here. I am BTech in Electrical Engineering, MTech in Instrumentation and Control from NSIT Dwarka, and PhD in the area of power system protection. I am associated with this department since July 2005.
Power system protection.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Vipul Singh. I am pursuing PhD in wireless communication and sensors. My department is WEC.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Dr. K.J. Chitra. I am from Electrical Electronics and Communication Engineering department. My research area is wireless sensor network, IoT and structural engineering.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Sucheta Singh, and my area of expertise is VLSI design and bioelectronic devices.
VLSI.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Vikram. I am the part of IPC and Electronics Communication Department, and my research is signal processing and communication.
Good afternoon. Myself Dr. Rashmi, and I am from WEC department, and my research area is WSN and embedded systems.
Which department you said?
Electrical, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
ये सभी
Yes, sir.
मैकेनिकल
Myself Rita Tablet, and my area of interest is wireless communication.
बढ़िया आपके
Good afternoon, sir.
वाइड स्पेक्ट्रम भी है।
Good afternoon, sir. I am Dr. Manisha Rajoria from Department of Electrical Electronics and Communication Engineering, and my area of research is fabrication of semiconductor, fabrication of diode, BJT MOSFETs.
Semiconductors.
Semiconductors.
She also worked in.
I will talk to you.
Yes, sir. She also did some experiments in ISC Bangalore. I think you fabricated some
I have
devices.
completed all my device from ISC Bangalore under Indian Nano User Program. So I am being there for 3 months, and I completed my all PhD part from there only. Now also, sir, I have seen some electrical batteries, electrical vehicle battery from ZNO. So I am also planning to submit within few months to submit the project of fabrication of battery using zinc oxide. Because I have seen some topics are going for zinc oxide battery for electrical vehicle. Just I am planning
I will shift from semiconductor to battery.
Yeah, because there is also, sir, actually I am just doing one research paper. So in that they use zinc oxide and they have fabricated field effect transistor for they have used field effect transistor for electrical vehicle battery using ZNO. So I am just going through that paper.
While talking of batteries, have you ever thought of supercapacitors integration with the battery bank?
No, sir, actually.
Supercapacitor work is already happening in our physics department.
Yeah.
There is a lab.
Yeah.
COE of solar below this.
Dr. P.K. Singh is
We
there.
have a lab. Dr. P.K. Singh is.
They are doing working.
So they have done very good work in supercapacitor.
They are
Dr.
working on
Pavan Dangla is
supercapacitor.
there.
They are working.
Dr. Pavan
Pavan
Dangla is there.
Dangla is
So he has done very good work in supercapacitor.
Anybody doing for sodium ion cells also? Sodium ion.
We are having MRL, material research laboratory.
तो मेरे ख्याल से
Dr.
sodium
P.K.
पे नहीं
Singh is head.
Okay.
So they are doing very good work in all these.
Okay. Thank you so much.
We have science also.
Sir.
Myself, Dr. S. Mukhopadhyay. I'm from the Department of Electrical, Electronics and Communication Engineering.
आपके यहाँ कोई exclusively electrical
Mix है, I can do mix है.
Actually, the both branches have been merged in this department. One is the hardcore electrical engineering and one is electronics and communication engineering.
Okay.
So both branches are fused together
in the same department.
In the same department.
But subjects are separate.
But the subjects are
Hardcore
separate.
electrical
They have different background of electrical engineering as well as the communication engineering. That's why
electrical भी है और electrical electronics भी है.
Two basic programs. One is in electrical engineering, electrical and computer engineering, electronics and computer engineering, and electronics and communication. Three programs. MTech programs.
Three BTech programs are here and two MTech programs. MTech in EEE, MTech in EC, as well as the PhD program is also here.
मैम करेगा.
Sir, I am Pratima and my research area is in power system.
Power
System.
Power system. Up to what power you have developed anything?
Sir, I have worked in deregulated power system, deregulation, and there only means what the competition is going on in all the deregulation system. Mainly, I have worked on the transmission lines.
Transmission.
Yes,
high voltage.
Condition. I
DST.
have removed the condition from the transmission line due to the competition in the market.
How can you do that without it requires quite a big laboratory?
Then she did PhD. She was
From somewhere else. You did your PhD from some
IIT PhD.
IIT BHU. They must be having a
Yes, sir.
laboratory.
वहाँ तो 500 kV तक हाई वोल्टेज लैब है.
आपने इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर्स में भी काम किया?
No, sir. Only on the transmission lines. I have just removed the condition for the transmission lines.
Myself Sushma Kakkar. My research area is power electronics. Power electronics converters. Integration of renewable
Power
energy.
electronics one can.
You see, this subject of, I would say any subject, the theory and practice always go hand in hand. That must be kept in view. I have seen many students, वो थ्योरी में क्या रखा है वो बाजार से किट लाओ और बना करके पूरा कर दो, वो चीज़ नहीं चलती, डिफ़िकल्टी आती है. उसमें क्या होता है बाद में जा करके प्रॉब्लम आती है when you are not able to solve the problem solution vehicle can go up to 30 years. What is there to do? So what we say, you replace the engine, IC engine, by an electric motor. Now I will like to know what is the criteria of an IC engine, what function it performs. Will somebody tell me?
Convert the mechanical chemical energy into mechanical energy.
No, that is something else. What it actually performs. What it performs three functions. So the power rating at 40 kilometers will be reduced compared to 120 kilometers. You need a bigger motor, you need a bigger engine or whatever you call it. So these are the factors which engineer has to keep in mind. First, please note it down. This is very important. People don't care for it. You draw and application.
Sir,
Pardon.
just I want to ask a question. You have mentioned here that is a pedal cycle rickshaw. In fact, from last 1 year, I am trying to find the differential power transmission for the three-wheel rickshaw. I could not find any manufacturer in India for the three-wheel.
That is it. This is what I am talking about. This is what I am talking about. We have put the right question, and Mr. Agarwal should know.
Because I developed a robot.
No, not a question of develop. First, lay down the specifications what you want.
Specification and
You follow my point?
Yes, sir.
No, you have not followed.
No, I got that. This what exactly we want to.
Specifications of the end, because this rickshaw you will be using on road by hundreds of thousands.
प्रैक्टिकल स्पेसिफिकेशन लगते हैं, उसका फोन आप 1/3 कॉस्ट में गिरा सकते हो, इंस्टेड ऑफ द मनी बीइंग टेकन अवे बाय द फॉरेन मैन्युफैक्चरर्स। बहुत अच्छा एक क्लू है, देखिए आप लोग, क्योंकि आप लोग काफी एक्सपर्ट लग रहे हो यहाँ पे, टीम ऑफ एक्सपर्ट्स, आपने रिसर्च भी करी इन एरियाज में।
आपको कोई मेरी आवाज समझ नहीं आ रही हो तो
सॉरी सर, मैंने थोड़ा
नहीं you have hit the
इन लोगों का एक्सपर्टाइज दिख रही थी।
नहीं, इसी स्पेसिफिकेशन इज मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट। अब 120 किलोमीटर की बस आवर आप लगाते हैं, आपकी जो कारें हैं 160-170 किलोमीटर की है, चला नहीं सकते। बिकॉज द फर्स्ट गियर देयर इज ए हायर रेशो, so you get a higher starting torque. Correct me, because I am not driving the car for last so many years. In the automatic transmission system, there are two steps. The first step, the ratio is less. आप लोग कौन यूज करते हैं ऑटोमेटिक ट्रांसमिशन वाली कार? आप यूज करते हैं? You are the best person. आप मेरी बात समझ रहे हैं? नहीं समझ में आई?
वो सही है, वो मतलब
नहीं, आप व्हाट आई एम ड्राइविंग एट, आपको समझ में आई? आपको नहीं?
हाँ, वो पावर कितना चाहिए?
starting torque required is more. Starting torque required is more. That's why.
Relatively, you require in case of running automatic. The third, there is a third which you use in commercial vehicle. I will come afterwards. There is a third is a single gear system, which is used in a commercial vehicle. जबलपुर की देखी शक्तिमान शक्ति उन्होंने उसमें बस में कन्वर्ट करी, उसमें फर्स्ट रेशो वाज 7, अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 7, और उसका जो टॉर्क था 38 kgm. Now can you tell me how much Newton meter it will be? 38 kg Newton meter.
9.8.
Pardon?
Into 9.8, 38, 380 हो गया, approximately 370.
Again the same thing. Manual you need less, with automatic you need slightly more. So you have to design according to the application. But there is only one common factor. One common factor in all these things is the drivetrain. What is drivetrain involves? Motor and controller. समझ में आ रही है हमारी राय?
Are you talking about locomotion control?
Pardon?
Are you talking about locomotion controller?
वही मैंने कहा ना, मोटर एंड कंट्रोलर।
लोकोमोशन, लोकोमोशन।
हाँ, नहीं लोकोमोशन तो इसका इफेक्ट है, ये तो पूरी बात नहीं समझी मैंने। इलाबोरेट करेंगे क्या क्या करना चाह रहे हैं?
No, locomotion controller means we take care of the.
That is the controller I am saying. It is called in case of मतलब simplify word use कर लिया. It is a variable frequency, variable voltage
Electric
device. It is a variable frequency in case of electronics. It is a variable frequency which governs the speed, and then variable current which controls the torque. वही लोकोमोशन जो आप कह रहे हैं, it provides the locomotion control. वो मैं आपको अल्पम आपको बताऊँ. So in all these things, electric drive train is the common factor. We have to select the motor and the controller. Now, how to select the motor? बताइए जरा, बताइए. How to select the motor? By any particular vehicle which has got a certain.
It depends upon the payload. What
See, payload वगैरह is already been taken care of. Who designed the vehicle? Who designed the vehicle because the engine is yours. The line of least resistance is to replace the engine, IC engine. IC engine, from the manual they give certain specifications. As I said, in this vehicle factory, I saw 38.7 kg meter, about 400 Newton meter. 380 to 400. About 400 Newton meter. So we have to use a motor near about 350 to 400. First step is to calculate the what RPM you require for 40. I am designing the bus, I am designing the system for 40 kmph, which is the maximum permissible in India, possible in India, both permissible and possible. Now, how to calculate that RPM? तो इस पे लिख सकता हूँ मैं? हाँ, लिख सकता हूँ।
लिख भी सकते हैं ना?
लिख सकते हैं इस पे?
इसमें लिख सकते हैं।
You can always find from the manual of the vehicle. Speed. How to calculate this thing? Please, ladies, come along.
Sir, 2 by n d by 60 equal to speed. By dn.
By dn.
Yes.
Now, what is the d?
Diameter.
Diameter of the
V.
Exactly. So n we know
Revolution per minute.
RPM. At 40 calculate करेंगे. Suppose the V diameter is 1 meter. कितने?
N is meter per second.
3600 1/3 कर लो 40 घंटे 13.7 नीचे पाई से भी डिवाइड करोगे तो 13 divided by 3
N is what, sir? N is what?
N is
number of rotation.
Number of rotations.
अगर RPM मोटर RPM डिराइव करने अभी 40 kmph स्पीड तो व्हील का डायमीटर अभी आपने बोला व्हील के डायमीटर से रिलेटेड है कितना बैठा अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 मीटर का मान लीजिए व्हील है आपका बस का कितने RPM होंगे उसके और 40 किलोमीटर स्पीड
हम लोग लगे हुए हैं बस इसको पास करते रहेंगे ये उसी पर चल रहा है तो 100 के हिसाब से इंजन बनाया अगर उसकी कॉप आगे आ जाएगी जो बहुत कुछ भी तो वही तुमको 50 लाख रुपये मुझे लगे कि इसी पे काम हो रहा है लेकिन तेईस बजे है ना लोगों को बोला कि
अभी तो सिंपल है कहाँ डिफिकल्टी आ रही साइड में आ रहे हैं
इसके नीचे नहीं कर सकते
ट्रैफिक लाइट पे आ रहे हैं
नहीं वो तो ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि फास्टेस्ट एक्शन एनीथिंग मैकेनिकली कैन बी डन इट रिक्वायर्स 330 और 333 में आई एम नॉट रिमेंबरिंग
उससे फास्ट नहीं कर सकते हम 33 मिनिमम में
उससे फास्ट नहीं कर सकते आप
मैं नॉर्मल कार के बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ
हाँ तो उसको तो कुछ सेकंड लगेगा
2-3 सेकंड आई थिंक
2 सेकंड दिस मीन it can only generate for a few seconds. Now what happens?
अगर ना कोई काम हो तो निकल हाँ अच्छा अगर कोई काम नहीं निकले ना जी अभी कोई काम ना हो तो रुके नहीं तो
पहले ये जो मटेरियल हैंडलिंग के जो क्रेन वगैरह में यूज़ करते थे सिंक्रोनस मोटर यूज़ करते थे उसमें स्लिपरी होते थे उसकी